research in English literature or want to know something related to English literature and English language, these videos of mine are dedicated to all of you. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe Mahesh English Times. I am giving my contact details as well. If you want personal guidance, one-to-one session, especially related to English literature and PhD thesis, you can contact me and I am there to help you. Now this particular video is devoted to two fundamental aspects which all the scholars need to understand, and that is what is research question and what is research objective. All the theses should contain research question and research objective. So what is the difference between research question and research objective, and what exactly is research question? Let's see. So research question, basically the word question means that you are asking a question. So research question is what is the question that you are going to raise in your thesis, for whose answer you are looking for in your thesis. You are going to come up with that answer to that research question when you are doing research. The conclusion chapter will be containing an answer to this research question. So for example, question like, are online classes better than offline classes? So this could be a topic, this is a question that you are raising. You could write a research paper and find solution to this question. So this will be a research question for your research paper. Loan schemes of Punjab National Banks are better than ICICI Bank. Are there comic elements in Shakespeare's tragedy? So these are the issues, questions whose answer you want to look for in research paper or your PhD thesis. So these issues need to be highlighted at the beginning of the research paper or at the beginning chapter of your thesis, and you have to come up with some expected solutions towards the end. Now there could be many research questions for a particular PhD topic. For a particular PhD title that you finalize, there could be many, more than one research question related to that topic. So we have to frame research objectives based on those research questions. So always remember, there could be more than one research question to your topic. Now what is research objective? A research objective is a clear-cut statement which provides direction to research. So you are going to, how you're going to do your research, what is going to be the line of action, how you're going to start and how you're going to end. That clear-cut is stated through research objective, and research objective is actually coming out of research question only. So they are all interlinked. Like for example, if you see there is a research question, is there comedy in Macbeth? Now Macbeth is a tragic play written by Shakespeare. So is there comedy? This could be a research question, and research objective will be to identify comic elements in Macbeth. So this is how you frame your research question and research objective. So research objective is originating from research question. Another example is, does Wordsworth poetry on nature have healing effect? Now this is a question. Does it have a healing effect? Now research objective for this question could be to study the healing effects of nature in Wordsworth poetry. So how objective is originating from research question. Research question and research objective are very, very important for your thesis. Another thing is, Amish Tripathi is a very famous novelist in the current day Indian writing in English, who's writing stories based on mythology of India. So the question could be, are Amish Tripathi novels inspired from real life? This could be a question because we all know that he's writing on mythology and mythology related books. Now does it have some reality or it's completely mythology? So this could be a research question. You're trying to find out reality in mythological books. So this could be a research question, and research objective is to evaluate the myth and reality in the novels of Amish Tripathi. So this is how you see, I have given you examples that how research objective is coming out of research question. Both research objective and question should be a part of your research paper as well as thesis. Without it, you cannot move forward. And that is how you reach the conclusion, which will be based on your research question and research objective. I hope this video is of help to you. Thank you so much for watching.